Hey, good evening, everyone. How you all doing? Lonnie again from 5minutetrades.com. Just wanted to make a quick video on how you can plot really good levels and make proper trend lines. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. If this is your first time viewing our channel and if you find the information helpful, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you can be notified whenever we make awesome trading content, which we do frequently here at 5 Minute Trades channel. Also, if you like, please feel free to check us out online at 5minutetrades.com. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with our short video. So what we have here is the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. We're on a 15-minute time frame, and if you notice, I have a line chart study candles. Now I do use candles every now and then, but I prefer the line chart because it helps me find better entries and it helps me plot better trend lines and find better levels and zones. And I'm gonna show you a little bit of that today, why that is. So first, let's start with our trend line. So clearly you can tell that this is going to the upside, which means it's bullish. That it means that it's making higher highs and higher lows. That's the market structure that we're currently in right now on the 15-minute time frame at least. So with that being the case, take our trend line. Now, what I look for is touches. I want the line to be able to touch as many zones as possible, areas as possible. So this long area here, I'm just going to ignore that, pretend like I don't even see it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, here, and about right there. That's where I would draw the trend line for this. Now, the reason why I do it this way is because it gives me more information. By information, you see here, we have a touch here, here. We can count that and count this one as one, these two. So it tells me from for a certain length of time that the trend line, was holding. It was holding price up. And price then it just started to break towards the end of Friday session. So now we have a possible market structure break. It's still bullish, and the market structure hasn't changed yet. You're going to be talking about market structure in every video, I promise you. The market structure hasn't changed from bullish to bearish yet because it has not made a lower high or a lower low. So it had to break through this area here, close below this, before I start considering this being market structure change. So that's how I like to draw my trend lines. Now, let me show you how I like to find my levels. All right, so I normally go like on large time frame for like levels and things like that. So let's do 1 hour. All right, so this is the sweet part here. This is what I really like about using the line charts. So you may say, well, how do I know what's a good level and everything like that? So you know that I'm assuming that you know what resistance and support is, right? Support and resistance. So support holds the price up, resistance keeps the price down. So what I like to use this line chart is, let's say for example, we have some support here. So let's get this out. So notice the spikes, like the spike here, spike down. So that makes it easy to identify support. Spike down, spike down. So we have support there. Now, oftentimes with the line chart, when if you like to zoom in on it, you see how it moved a little bit. So what I do a lot of times is to get the price, exactly right. Let me use this one here. Yeah, this one's good. So 88576. So go here. Coordinates 88576. Bam. Now I know it's right on there. So now this is a clear area of support because it helped the price up, and then price started to move from here, then going up. So that's how I would draw my level for support there. Now let's talk about resistance. Let's look for another pair. Let's do this one. All right. So this is the Euro CAD. So it's the same thing. We want to talk about some resistance. So we look at the spikes again, but this time instead of the spikes down, we're looking for the spikes up. So take our line and see that we got some resistance here. So you may notice I have it here rather than here. The reason being is you want to get as many touches as possible. For the more touches, the more validated that area is. So this is where matter of fact, I will you go here, 54,200. And this will be how I will draw my resistance line. Right there. So I use the line chart heavily. It helps me find really good zones for entries, and I use it for my trend lines. So that's how I draw trend lines and plot my horizontal lines and things of that nature. So if you like this video, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you want to learn more about what we do, please feel free to visit our website here, 5minutetrades.com. Our goal is to help you learn how to be a profitable Forex trader. That's me. That's my beautiful wife. We have a lot of great things that we offer: one-on-one live trading instruction, access to our trading group, buy and sell signals. We teach you how to trade the right way, proper risk management, teach you a proper, simple strategy, that's been working really well for us. You get phone, text, email support. If you want to contact us, you can click here, contact us today. You want to become a member. This is our motto here at FMT, 5minutestrades.com. Risk less, earn more. I truly believe that if you have proper money management, you can earn good money in the market. So if you like what you've seen today, you like what you heard, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're ready to become a member or you want to know more, check us out, 5minutetrades.com. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me. Hope you have a good evening. Take care, and God bless.